For sure. Hi everybody, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. Hit that subscribe button, put the notification bell, subscribe, comment, hit that thumbs up and hit the notifications, and put a thumbs up for my video. So today we're gonna do this thing where I'm gonna close my eyes, pick, and the ones we're rooting for are Fashion Cut, Squishy Mooshy, Gumball Machine, Adorables, and a Calico Critter. Let's get started. And my mom's in this video, so let's get started. Go!
All right, let's get this mixed up here, guys. Okay.
This one. Oh, I got Adorables. So this is like a little figurine from Disney. So let's open it. We're going to open this Adorables and see who we got. If these aren't new to you, then comment down below if these aren't new to you. But if they are, comment down below if these are new to you and this is your first time ever seeing them. Yeah. So let's open our Adorables. Who did I get? I got two actually. I got these two. I got a genie and I got a chipmunk. If you can't see, these are the ones I got, and they're here's the chipmunk. Here's the genie. So let's move on to the next one. Let's get these out of the way. Let's go for the next round. Next round is up. So I'm gonna pick. Stop. What's this? Oh, it looks like I got another doll. I don't know if this was on my Hair Gold channel. This is on my Hair Gold channel, but comment down below on my video, on my YouTube video. Comment down below which one you saw. Was it purple hair, black hair, or was it the rainbow hair girl? Comment down below. Please tell me if you did it. My mom right now is holding my Bell Bell dog. So, and let's go to the third round, I guess. Or the fourth round.
Hey, she peeked, everyone. She peeked.
Stop. I didn't peek.
Okay.
What's this? Oh, looks like I got a Santa. My grandma gave this to me. Since everyone else I threw it, but I'm not gonna throw this one because I'm afraid it might break. So yeah, my mom's gonna put this one aside. Let's go to the fifth round. Can I open my eyes now?
Mm-hmm.
This. So it looks like I got my Calico Critter. I really am hoping for a little dog. So yeah, let's open these up. It looks like it has a scissors line I can cut. So yeah, let's open these up now. Because I'm really anxious to see what we got. If you guys ever seen Calico Critters, they're just a little fuzzy thing. So if you guys seen Calico Critters, comment down below a yes. And if you guys haven't, just comment down below, I haven't seen Calico Critters. So let's open it and see what we got. Looks like we got, it's like a bag or something. I don't know. I think I might just cut it. I can see where they are, so I just don't know what they are. Looks like we got a star. Let me get it out for you guys. So it looks like I got a Morocco star. And then here is our baby. It's like a little hedgehogger. chipmunk. I don't know, but we're gonna toss them aside. So yeah, let's mix it up to the next round. Let's do the fashion crush. Looks like we got the fashion crush done. So we have one more to go. So let's peel this. Aren't you guys excited? Oh yeah, that's right. I'll be right back. I have to go get my fashion crush. I'll be showing you guys So I'm going to show you the LOLs, and you guys are gonna comment down in 3, 2, 1 for which one we should pick. Ready? 3, 2, 1. You should have had time to pick. So looks like we're gonna do. What one did you guys pick? Did you pick this one, or this one? This is also hair girl. So if you pick this one, make sure you put yes, I picked it down in the comments. Throw those aside. So let's open our fashion crush. If you've never seen a fashion crush, they're kind of jelly kind, and you have to dig in them to get the surprises. The surprises are not in bags, unfortunately, because otherwise they would be, I don't know, hard, weird stuff. So let's get this stuff opened, and then we can start. Let's just open this right now. So it looks like I'm gonna open it from here. So let's do that. So comment down below if you've ever heard of a fashion crush. If you have, comment down yes. If you haven't, comment down no. But it's okay if you've never heard of a fashion crush. It's okay, your opinion. It's okay because it's not like anyone else is gonna see. I just will see. No one else can because. Unfortunately, only people when they subscribe. So it's fine if you ever feel like I don't really want to comment this down. I don't want anyone to know because I don't want people to know that I don't like fashion crushes.
Here's the scissors right there.
Yeah, I'm not going to use the scissors because there's a pull tab. I think I've got it. So let's just keep opening this. So yeah. Oh, there we go. I'm starting to open up faster. Let's open this because we still got the other layer. Doesn't look like we get a clue in this one. So, yeah. It looks like I got a blue fashion crush thing. So, let's open our fashion crush because I'm almost there. Almost there. I just got my second layer, my fashion crush tab, and let's open this one. So I think we're almost there because, looks like we got the thingy here. So yeah, let's not worry about that right now. So I guess this is the tab for opening it. Mine's like purple, shimmery, sparkly gel. It's kind of slimy too. Oh, that came out perfectly fine. Oh, it's so slimy, guys. I have to work with this. It's so slimy. Really have to work with this. Look it's all slimy. I really don't want to crack this open, but let's go for it. Ew, it's like jelly. Should I smush it, guys? Do you guys dare me to smush it? Comment down below if you dare me. Okay, that just turned out as a big fail. Look it's like a big ball. I have to open this. Come on. So disgusting. So it looks like we got the dress. Gotta get the shoes out there. Gotta get the gel out of the shoes. I think that's all the gel. Yeah. So let me just get all that gel out. Looks like we have a necklace with it. So here is like the. Sometimes there's secret stuff in there. Sometimes there's like secret stuff in here. Case because we can't throw these away right away. I think it's good. So I'm gonna go maybe get a tissue.
Why don't you just wash your hands quick?
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go wash my hands. let me grab a paper towel for me so I can get ready. I'm back, guys. Are you ready for the last round? Well, let's throw all this stuff to the side. Sorry, but I'm sorry I can't do the end of the video, but it's not gonna be bye yet. We just gotta put all this. Let's just put this stuff in here because it's like a little container I can put it in. So yeah, let's move all this baby stuff to the side. Even though it's not baby stuff. Move that to the side. Yeah, let's go to Gumball. Let's go. Close my eyes. Let's go. Yeah. Ooh. Looks like we got the Gumball machine. Didn't you guys want me to reveal something? Here, let me just pick a few more things out just for you guys because I knew you guys want to see more things. Let me just pick one more. Oh yes! Yay! I picked the one I wanted. So this is another Pop Teenies. Yeah, so that's blah 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 blah. So this is another hair goals. She's one of mine. She's a hair goal. She has fluffy hair. This is her outfit. So since I picked out this one, I'm going to quickly show you how to build this. So if you ever get this dog, you have to build. You have to put the legs together, twist, and the big ball goes on the little head, and then the back one, it goes the same. You just put the little thing like that, and if it ends up like this, you just twist, and it will end up like that. So that's how you build that. So it looks like we got all this stuff, so let's throw that aside. So that aside, and let's throw this aside. So all that stuff is out of the way. Let's start opening this. If you guys wanted me to open this, so yeah, comment down below if you've never seen these. So yeah, so I'm hoping for the unicorn. There's octopus, hedgehog. So yeah, let's just get opening. If we can find the opening for this. Is there no opening? There must be an opening. Like some opening. Weird. I may have to use the scissors on this. So we used scissors, and that helped a lot. Like it was kind of like a zip tie. Not kind of like a zip, but if you ever open LOLs, if you open LOLs, yeah. If you open LOLs, it's kind of like that, but without one. So I have to cut my way in so I can get it. So I may have to cut more because it's kind of hard to get in there and cut. So I'm just going to get my scissors in there. Just kind of cut there, and I'm going to unwrap this. So it looks like we got a lot better. So this is kind of like a Gumball machine one. If you've ever seen the movie Gumball, comment down below because it's related to the Gumball machine. So if you've ever seen the movie or show Gumball, comment down below. Okay, I know your answers. It's fine. No one else knows them. So yeah, we're going to keep opening this until we can get quickly to the because we're almost there. We almost can open them. Looks like we got it open now. So let me do stop. How do you do this here? Open this? No. Can't open that. Oh, here. Do you open this? How are you supposed to open this? This way? I so don't get how you open this. Oh, here. Finally got it. There's a mini Gumball machine. Can you open it? Oh, here's the keychains. Looks like there's 2 keychains. And here looks like we have the best friend, the little best friend. Let's see what we got. So, we got a little lollipop. A little lollipop. And who is a slow rising animal? Who's a slow rising animal here? I've actually never opened the Whoa, Oh, look it. It's like a hedgehog. Let's squeeze it. See if it's... Squeeze. It smells delicious. So let's squeeze. I think there's a picture of it down here. There is one. So it looks like these. So it is Haley the hedgehog. She's so squishy. Let's see how squishy and flow rising this is. Yeah, so if you don't know that, you can actually fit your little best friend in the small thing of it. So then you can just pop that the cover right on. I don't think so. I would think you would be able to. So you pop it on, pop the cover I think on. Can you? So let me just pop the cover on. And there, my squishy's in there. Then let's open. Yeah, so bye. Hope you like this video. See you later. Don't forget to comment down, subscribe, and yeah. And hit that notification and thumbs up. Bye. I know I said that stuff in the beginning, but yeah. Bye.